look at the passenger cabin. These passengers want a portion of trail mix. Serve them now. Great! Nice. Let's get back to the galley and refill the burgers are ready. Add a burger to the tray. Good job. Now go and serve the rest of the passengers. You're delicious. You have unlocked a lemonade dispenser. Tap to put the glass into the dispenser. Wait a few moments. Done. Now drag it to the tray. Great. Upgrade. You can use coins you first. Let's take a look at the upgrading the dispenser. Tap here to purchase an close the window. Great. Now let's check this side dish. Upgrading trail mix will tap here to purchase an great. Tap here to continue to level selection. Don't want this combination right now. You can always throw it out and start over.
Kan kinana ke?
Yang mana ya?
You are out of trays. Let's search for some spare ones. This passenger has finished eating and wants. Great. Now you can. Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
bisa kerja di gunung Nobi, kamu bisa dapatkan 3.000 keping koin emas. Ikuti saja seperti petunjuk yang aku buat bersama dengan surat ini.
You can upgrade. Comfortable passengers tend to be more generous and patient.
Tidak ada lanjutannya.
Let's get better economy class. Congratulations! Now pass.
3.000 koin emas. Sekarang masalahnya semua itu dikubur di mana? Dan dikirim ke tempat
Trail mix can be added to the tray too. Let's try it.
Sepertinya mereka sudah berhenti mengejar. Ibu tak selamat, terima kasih ya. Sisipkan. Bukan, namaku bukan Sisipkan, aku Sisip. Namanya Ibu. Dia mirip-mirip dengan Sisipkan. Iya, benar. Namaku Nabita, aku Belajar. Nama kita penting ya, kan? Tadi kan aku yang dia mereka. Lihat saja aku tahu juga. Mungkin aku juga
You have unlocked garlic sauce. First, fill the oven with the burgers. Now, tap here to put tap the box to peel the cover. Tap again to put. Now get rid of the empty box. Looks like there's still. Empty the box into the cart and throw it out.
Kami sedang mencari rumahnya Nobita. Kamu tahu tidak? Tahu? Nama anaknya Nobitaku, dia temanku.
Oh,
Selamat siang, ini aku Okibu. Sepertinya tidak ada orang.
Thank you.
let's empty it so we can take the tray back. Let's get back to the galley. Tap here to get there directly. Drag the trash bag into the container.
Baiklah, sekarang kita ada pilihan lain. Kalau kita yang bisa kembali ke bisa, kita merasa. Di zaman ini semuanya juga sama saja.
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
Selanjutnya, jelas